guys, my name is Alex and today I am super excited to be doing this video for you. It's for one of my favorite products. Now this is from NYC Fashion and this is the hair chalk coloring pens and this is what they look like. And it comes with all these different colors, 8 different colors, and they're super vibrant and I absolutely love them. So I'm just gonna show you guys kind of how I put them in my hair and what they can look like when you do them. And they also come with beads, a comb, and some hair elastics, which are totally awesome. So please keep watching to see how I put these in my hair. Alright guys, so I moved the camera in just a little bit closer so you can kind of see it closer up on my hair. So what I'm gonna do first is I am just gonna kind of part my hair up just so I can get the bottom layer first and start out with the colors so that kind of goes all over my hair and not in specific spots. So I'm just gonna tie those up with an elastic, just like so. I'm gonna take the rest of my hair and I'm gonna open this up. And it comes with the little comb, so I'm gonna go ahead and comb through my hair just a little bit. Just like so, and you can see I kind of have a little bit of pink in my hair already. And these are totally washable, which is so neat. So you can just literally stick them in your hair and then wash them out and it's perfect. So what you can do is you can either do it directly onto your hair. I like kind of doing it on my finger and the hair at the same time just because it makes it a little bit more easy. Just like so. You're gonna wanna let this dry for a little bit and then kind of go back over if you are wanting a little bit more of a vibrant color. So as you can see, I kind of have darker hair, but I also have blonde hair at the bottom, so it definitely works on any hair color. Like so, and you can see how pink it actually is. And I'm just gonna let that dry for a little bit and I'm gonna go on this side. And add the color to it too. You can see it's in there, and I'm gonna brush this side. So you can see how pretty that pink color is. I absolutely love it. So I'm just gonna keep adding this to my hair, and I'm probably gonna speed up the video just so it doesn't take like an hour-long video, and I will show you guys what it looks like at the very end, so please keep watching. Alright guys, so I got the hair color in and as you can see it looks absolutely amazing. I absolutely love it and the colors build super flawlessly. Like they're so awesome. I love them and this red looks super real. It looks like a real like dyed red. It doesn't look like a hair chalk at all and I absolutely love it. So we're not done yet. This kit also comes with some beads, so I'm going to show you guys just kind of how to apply those beads in your hair. That's super easy. So it comes with this little tool right here. And I'm just gonna take multicolored beads because my hair is kind of multicolored. So I'm gonna stick the bead through the little tool, just like that. I'm gonna take just this small section of hair right here. And I'm going to stick the hair through the loop. Make sure I get it all just like that. Then I'm going to take the bead, pull it down, and pull the hair through, just like that. And I'm going to repeat that with the rest of my colors as well. So I'm going to take a pink one. Pull through. Okay, so I am actually going to add probably one more. Take a baby blue one. Put that on there as well. Okay, so now that I've got those beads on there, what I'm going to do is take one of the elastics that it comes with. And I'm going to secure them at the end just so they don't fall off anywhere. Just like that. And then what I'm going to do next is lift up just some of my hair. I'm going to pull it back. I'm going to go ahead and stick a bobby pin in there, and then I'm gonna pull the hair back over. And there you go, guys. That's how quick and easy and cute these hairstyles are with these hair top pins. So definitely go check them out. Like I said, I bought it off Amazon, and it's the NYC Fashion Hair Chalk Color Chalk Pins. They're amazing. I absolutely love them. The color looks awesome, and it's super easy to wash out. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you definitely go check out this product because it is amazing.